it will do the job. Same. Like if it smells bad, it's normally good for you.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, it's going to be a hair video. I haven't done one in a long time, so I said I wanted to do this hair video. My hair needs some cleansing, and this treatment that I'm going to be making, it's also good for dandruff. So if you have dandruff, you can use it and you'll see that it's very effective. So let's get started with the video. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, share the video, subscribe, also leave a comment down below. So I have my hair is, I have it in for I think like 1 month or so. I think a little bit over 1 month. So I oiled it and everything, but it got really dry due to the fact that I have been going to the beach almost like every 2 days or every 3 days or so. So my hair got really dried out, and also it started having what do you call it, like the sea particles in my hair, and I wanted to cleanse it. So I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looking. It's been a month and you can see the braids still looks really good. If you guys haven't watched the video of how I braid my hair, you guys can go ahead and do so. I also got sunburn. Can you guys tell, like around my eyes, like right here, my nose bridge, my forehead? I have to be using the scrubs, the Dove scrub. I really love that Dove scrub. I've been using the Dove scrub, and I've also been using this raw shea butter on my face, and it has been helping. But as you can see, my face is like multicolored right now. So please guys, don't laugh. It's not a beauty contest, it's a hair channel. So let's get into the video. So for this video, what I'm using is, I'm gonna be using this apple cider vinegar. This one is with the mother. I'm gonna just use what's in the container right now. Then I'm gonna be using this baking soda. You can get it at your local beauty supply store or in the supermarket. It's only 99 cents, or the smaller one you can get for 68 cents. Then my measuring cup, my spoon, and my bowl, my container. I'm going to go ahead and pour my baking soda. So this is a half cup, so I'm gonna just fill it up. Let me see, I use a spoon so it doesn't get spilled. And you just want to use half cup. I'm going to use half cup because I don't want it too much. So yeah, so I'm using half cup of this. And then for the vinegar, I'm only using what's in it. I think it's like 1.5 cups that's left. So oh, the scent is so strong. And just try. So that was half a cup, and I'm gonna put the next half in it. Look at the chemical reaction. But yeah. You want to do that, and then this is going to so it's exactly 1 cup. No, don't go over. Don't go over, please. Don't go over. Don't go over. I'm begging you, don't go over. If it go over, you guys unsubscribe to my channel. And if it doesn't go over, you guys better subscribe, because you know it's not gonna go over. Alright. So this is the potion, or the concussion, and you're gonna just put it in your hair. And then I have this apple cider vinegar shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna be using this to wash my hair after I put the treatment in. So let me just, this is how it looks. The smell is very strong. So that's how it looks. So now I'm gonna turn the camera back to me, and we're gonna put it in my hair and then wash it out. Finish, or not really treatment. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's not that thick. Maybe I should make it a little thicker. So I think I'm gonna just add some more in it. Oh, I'm gonna just add some more in it to get it thick. Okay. While you guys are waiting, you guys can go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment down below, guys. I really appreciate if you guys leave a comment down below. But yeah, so this is how it's looking, and then I'm gonna just apply my shower cap after I finish, and then I'm gonna do like a mini review on the apple cider vinegar shampoo and conditioner that I'm gonna be using to wash this out of my hair. And yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna name this video yet, but it's a treatment for dandruff or to cleanse your hair. And you can see I have in my braids same way, but hopefully it will do the job. So I'm gonna just put it right here. Maybe I should just throw it in my head. Let me come up so you guys can see. There's a whole lot of mess in this. I don't think I need it so much. It feels so good though. That smell, apple cider vinegar smell. Let's see if I can throw it right here. Oh. Kumbaya. Woo! Shoot. Let me see. It's getting all thick at the bottom. Oh wow! Look at me. I'm just massaging it in so you can get everything. I'm gonna leave this in for maybe like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm gonna put this shower cap over my head. Let it mess, but I'm back. So let me show you guys how it looks I'm not gonna wash it out yet. I'm gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes before I wash it out. So this is how it's looking. I'm not gonna take it all off right now until I'm ready to go in the shower to wash it out, but I'll let you guys see the process. And I'm gonna be using this apple cider vinegar shampoo and conditioner. It's supposed to like cleanse your hair and also good for dandruff. So as you can see right here, so this is the conditioner. I never used this before. This is the first time buying it. It have really good reviews on Amazon, so I purchased it. Yes. So this is the product, apple cider vinegar conditioner. It's sulfate free, cruelty free. If you like that, it have avocado oil, it have coconut oil and argan oil, and it's anti-dandruff, soothe itch for oily hair. So if you have oily hair, it's good for your hair, and if you have itching or dandruff, it's also good for your hair. So it just tells you the direction right here, how to apply it. So you want to apply to wet hair, leaving it for a few minutes, then massage it gently and rinse it out. And then this is the shampoo. So this is the shampoo. It's the same thing, same ingredients. This is anti-frizz for oily hair, and it calms dry scalp, so it's good for dry hair. And it also have vitamin B5, keratin infused and enhanced with collagen. And then for the direction, you want to apply to wet hair and gently massage into the scalp and hair. Rinse and repeat as needed, and follow with your apple cider vinegar conditioner. So let me smell it. Oh, it smells good. I thought it would have like an apple cider vinegar smell, but it does not. It actually smells like perfume, like cologne, like men cologne. That's what it smells like. It doesn't smell like there is any apple cider vinegar in this product. So I guess this is gonna be my go-to product. This is gonna be one of my favorite products then, because it does the job. It say it does the job. Let's see when I use it. And it doesn't have the smell of apple cider vinegar. Let me smell this one. This one is the conditioner. This one doesn't really have any scent. Oh, it does. You have to actually really sniff it to get the scent. But yeah, let me see. But they put, it's like so little in it. It's not all the way to the top. I like the container also. It's different. So yeah. So I guess now we just have to wait for the 15 minutes. Maybe it's about 5 minutes leave or 10 minutes leave, I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna wash this out. Let me see. In the 15 minutes, so let me just take it out so you guys can see it. Yeah. So now I'm gonna just wash it out, and it feels really good though, but it smells really bad.